What's up, online shoppers? I just got my brand new wireless Bluetooth transmitter for my car. I have an older car and my phone doesn't automatically sync with the car to play the music I want. So I found this really cool solution on Amazon. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. This is the Nulaxy Bluetooth 5.0 transmitter for cars. It has USB-C connectivity and 18-watt wireless Bluetooth radio adapter, music for CarPlay and bass boost, and hands-free calling. So let's open up the box and see what this little device looks like. Comes with a full instruction manual, so you can read through and see all the things you have to do to get it set up. But honestly, I'm hoping it's not a lot. Nice little crate to keep it protected. And here is the device. Pretty straightforward. Up here, you get a digital display, and you can also press this button for hands-free calling. Now, the power for this is your cigarette lighter. And that could be a problem because cigarette lighters are also where we usually plug in our chargers. But this is such a clever little device. It actually has three different charging ports. This USB is a conventional USB charging port, so it's going to give you charging at the normal rate. Now, this USB here and this USB-C here are 4 times rapid chargers. They are going to charge your devices much quicker than a conventional USB port. I think that's a great option. So when you're traveling over long distances and everybody's personal electronic device runs out of energy at the same time, you aren't locked in to just using this for your music. You have the options of plugging different devices in here to charge at the same time as you're playing your music. One of the reasons I chose this transmitter is that it has a hi-fi deep bass and music player. So the FM transmitter is going to take that music from your phone or whatever other device you're playing it from, and it's going to transmit it through your speakers as true to the original sound as possible. And I really like that because if I am a stickler for something, it's listening to my music at the best possible quality. Another really cool thing about this is it offers hands-free calling. So if you are driving and you have this plugged in and your phone is connected to it, you just have to press that button right there and you can answer your phone and speak hands-free in your vehicle. That is a really great safety device. This gives you an all-in-one answer, silence, and hang up, as well as recall. So you've got lots of options with this nice handy little unit. The other thing that's great about this is compatible with just about any electronic device out there. Works with an iPad, works with an iPhone, works with an iPod, HTC, Galaxy, Sony, MP3, the list goes on. Tablet, Android, smartphone. I love that it's going to work across any kind of device that I could plug in. As well, it's going to work in a 12 volt or a 24 volt vehicle or truck. So we've got lots of options here. If you are looking for a really great option because you drive a car that doesn't have actual Bluetooth connectivity, this Nulaxy wireless FM transmitter is an awesome little gadget. I love the connectivity for power, I love the hands-free calling, and I love that it's going to put my music through the speakers in the vehicle as true as it possibly can to the source that is playing. And that is all that really makes me happy. Good music, hands-free, and charging. I think this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.